All right, now the details. Now, many goods sold by traders at the Circle or Donna market have been turned into debris by last night's flood. That was last Wednesday's floods. Traders expressed how it has affected their business.
4 p.m. traders at Circle or Donna market were still trying to secure the remains of their goods from their shops. Many of the goods were spoiled beyond any form of usage.
The way the rain is falling is has spoiled all things, because nowadays they know bad things safe. Where the rain to fall, it has affected all things, because now I don't have any money where I can use to buy another shoes to sell.
Some traders lamented how much they have lost to the flood.
And now me buy because of Sweeney. Who find crown or better day? Kwana muyani de akase nya kwan de ye ba got na ma ya ma got ni swa ya bet na ha be 10 years ni emu bi da so yiri de bia ya be ya ha level ha na du ene he be bia edu next time eni be bia ebedu
ase me nema bebre ne so yesida na me be manyame because if oni aya we no TV no amofo bebre ewu na me simiti ase say see there's life there's hope.
Mama to me for no from 20 to 25 in so years and into me to me and you will say into me bonnet 10 cedi sana menye bia me so as I for fraba your name money were inside the asen and kasa yeah bad and a wig and you go inside me to me